Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing mask properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, employees of CRM Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant awarded under Utkarsh scheme. Mushroom cultivation will help in the economic empowerment, says the trainees of mushroom cultivation held at SAIL RSP. And Kalindi Charan Panigrahi, an eminent contributor to Odia literature. Now, the news in detail. An Utkarsh Award function was organized recently at Cold Rolling Mill of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. Mr. N.R. Das, GM in charge CRM, presided over the function and handed over the awards to Mr. P.C. Sahu, Mr. J.J. Chaudhary, Mr. B.N. Sahu, Mr. M.P. Malik, Mr. C.H. Jena and Mr. Bansi Dhara Gowda, all MOMTs, and Mr. Kamal Lochan, senior operative, for their commendable effort in reviving the modified high bay blower motor circuits of galvanizing line 2. Present on the occasion were other senior officers and the employees of the department. It may be noted that the flashover of high bay blower panels were burnt, causing stoppage of galvanizing line 2, thereby hampering the production. Switch fuse units installed since inception were unable to protect the motors and panels in event of flashover caused by short circuit faults. So the team took up the case and replaced the old switch fuse units with molded case circuit breakers of suitable rating to isolate short circuit faults. Additional microprocessor based protection devices were fixed in panel number 1 to monitor operating parameters and trip the power circuit in event of occurrence of various faults. This helped in reducing frequent breakdowns, improved equipment availability and production performance. Mushroom cultivation is a highly profitable business with low investment, which will help to take forward our self-help groups and strengthen our financials, voiced Ms. Vinita Ekka of Dumerta village and Ms. Monalisa Lakra of Bandamunda. Ms. Ekka and Ms. Lakra were among the 15 women who underwent a 2-day mushroom cultivation training held at Institute for Peripheral Development of CSR Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 21st and 22nd October. Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM in charge CSR, presided over the closing session. Present on the occasion were Mr. Dushmant Pradhan, DGM CSR and the staff of CSR Department. The trainees were from Cinema Toli, School Toli of Dumerta village and Bandamunda. The sessions included theoretical inputs on Dhingri Chattu, cultivation process, along with practical demonstration. After the completion of the training program, each trainee was given a bottle of mushroom seed to cultivate at their respective places and train come motivate others for the same. The training was imparted by master trainers Mr. Tintus Vengra and Mr. Benedict Ekka, both from CSR department, as well as Ms. Kamla Topo, the mushroom trainer and mushroom seed producer. The program was coordinated by Mr. Benedict Ekka. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Odisha, some well known and some lesser known. Today's personality is Kalindi Charan Panigrahi. Kalindi Charan Panigrahi, who belonged to Sabuja Goshti, green community of Odisha poets of 20th century, was born at Khurda. Regarded as a superb poet, story writer, novelist, dramatist, editor and essayist, this great man's pen never stopped till his death. His autobiography, Jahan Ange Nivaichi, is an unforgettable contribution to the literary treasure of Odisha. The Padma Bhushan Award winner was also honoured the fellowship from Kendriya Sahitya Academy. Matira Manisa novel is an immortal creation of this doyen. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.